Thanks for joining me for this exciting conversation. I've been looking forward to it all week. It's a privilege to get to know you a bit more and for you to frankly share your story with a lot of people. Not just your story, but your thoughts, your informed thoughts about what's going on in our communities and across our state. I have the privilege of wearing a lot of hats, but the one I talk about most in this sort of conversation is that I'm a dad of four kids. One is a 16-year-old, I have a 14-year-old, a 10-year-old, and an 8-year-old, and they constantly give me a run for the money. As a primary care pediatrician who's worked in a lot of different settings, one thing that is striking to me is that young people seem to be challenged in a way that they weren't even 5 years ago. And I know we've been talking about this bubbling up of a mental health challenge for young people and frankly all people in California and across the nation, but it feels really real. And I can't go almost a day, but certainly not a week, with talking to a kid, a friend of my children, somebody else I meet along the way, or frankly, a lot of parents who tell me about the struggles. They tell me about how they're encountering this and that that's different. So, just sort of from your own view, how are young people doing?
Well, imagine you're going back to when you're getting out of high school, first starting college, right? In this time where you should be really hopeful and optimistic for your future, here you are not, I'm 18 and I just got kicked out of the foster system. Where can I go sleep? Where can I feel safe? Where can I get food? And just in the last week, these are things that young people have told me. Young people can't survive having without having to struggle every single day just to meet basic needs. A lot of us are really fortunate that we don't have to think about that struggle every single day. And I know with the economy and COVID, all of that's not helping with kids. So I think right now kids aren't doing the best right now, and I think they need a lot of help and a lot of support.